Initially, speculation centered on other prominent Democrats, including Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro and Arizona Senator Mark Kelly. However, Walz's selection is seen as a strategic decision to appease the left, thanks to his strong liberal credentials. Shapiro and Kelly faced criticism from progressive groups. Shapiro for his handling of pro-Palestinian protests during the Israel-Hamas conflict, and both for their stances on union issues. Furthermore, Walz's Midwestern roots add to his appeal. With Trump actively campaigning in Minnesota, a state that Biden won by 7 points in 2020, Walz's presence on the ticket could strengthen support in this critical region. Trump and J.D. Vance have been working to flip the state, making Walz's selection even more significant. Harris is scheduled to announce her vice presidential running mate today, Tuesday, ahead of a week of joint campaigning in key battleground states.